Got him. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Good morning, afternoon, wherever you're tuning in from. Welcome to a very special episode of Tales of a Frigate Bird. My name is Dan Campbell. Whoa, here we go. We are headed out of one of my most favourite places to visit in the world, Mount Maunganui, New Zealand, with some really good friends. Greg Clark, owner of Freedom, my very good friend Claire, Hedge and Bevan. I've not been on the boat for a couple of years, but we are here and we are headed out today knowing that the Marlin are biting, and we're going to go and stay a few nights at a few of our most favourite islands. Maya Island is spectacular, but the most amazing island that you'll ever visit has a scary tale to be told. White Island, and we will be staying out there. So we're going to get straight into the action here today. We're going to stay overnight. Not going to show you too much right now, but hopefully we're hooking in to those big-billed marlin first thing tomorrow morning. Let's get out there.
Yeah, I think that's stuck with
Yeah. There he goes.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. Marlin. You want to clear anything?
Yeah, clear.
You go there.
We can still play it on the chair. Is there anything out of here?
Just for either one. Very calm. Keep winding, Hedge. Keep winding.
Back off.
Uh-huh. Get ready to let go.
Slow down again. Oh no, photos.
Beautiful, man. I mean, I've got to talk about White Island. What an incredible place. Really eerie to stay overnight there. I don't know whether many people know this, but I certainly didn't, because I live in America and it just wasn't on the news there. But in 2019, it erupted with, I think, 47 people on the island, 22 dead, 25 seriously injured with burns. Apparently it just went boom. I'm going to put a little bit of footage here. You can check it out, but if you want to Google it or YouTube it, 60 Minutes Australia did quite a good piece on it. But holy moly, like, what an amazing, crazy thing to happen, to be like visiting a active volcano on an island and have it erupt. Just horrific, really.
Man.
That's terrifying. You can't tell your mom. You can't tell your mom this happened.
No. Man, look. Jeez.
So we stayed there overnight. It's definitely eerie. It's a really incredible island. The windward side is just like green and lush with birds, and then the backside is where the volcanic, even the water's, you know, acidy. The sulfur smell is where we slept overnight was really strong. You know, I tried to throw the line off the boat and try and catch a snapper or two. Not a thing to be seen, but I got to fly the drone over it, and really it was just a very humbling experience, just sort of being there and witnessing the power of Mother Nature and the devastation it can have. I wouldn't recommend going and visiting any live volcano. I'm certainly never going to do it, not after watching these clips. Next morning we got into it. I actually wanted to get a kingfish, and there's a bunch of big bommies that come out of super deep water into like 10 feet of water off the northern tip of White Island. And so we were trawling over those with some big nomad Rapala like lures, and hooked into a pretty decent sized striped Marlin hedge on board. Landed him, and then we hooked into another one. Bev landed him. I chose not to fish because I actually really wanted to document it, and if I'm just sitting in the seat reeling in a Marlin, I wouldn't be able to run the GoPro and all of that kind of stuff. But what an epic trip, like best friends. I've been going in New Zealand for 20 years. New Zealand's one of the most epic places you can go fishing in the world, hands down. The snapper, the kingfish, the Marlin, just all of it, you know. So fortunate, and to be on the boat with a bunch of great mates. Epic freaking trip. We're going to get back into the action right now. Be sure to check out any of the White Island stuff if you're interested in that kind of stuff, but I'm going to get back to the clips. This is Bev hooked into another striped Marlin. Check it out.
On the ocean, white birds flying so free on the horizon, waiting for someone to see. There's a feeling of magic in the air surrounding my space. A feeling I know I can't forget. Now I'm on my way, a smile on my face.
This one, man.
Another day tonight, and this tomorrow.
Grab that tray.
Living in this paradise. Just imagine an island far away. Leave all your worries behind, and I know you believe me when I say this is the place I know you can find. Freedom is coming, freedom is offering, calling my name. Freedom.
Good.
Clean the lens, don't let it go yet. Another shot.
Freedom is near me. It's just a heartbeat away. I guess it's near me. As clear as a warm summer day. There's something special in every star that shines. You're guiding my way. From the darkness into the morning light. You brighten my day. Wherever I say.
That was awesome, guys.
Freedom is coming. Freedom is often calling my name. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is often calling
Here we are
my
in
name.
paradise.
Freedom is coming. Freedom is often calling my name. Freedom, freedom is coming. Freedom is often calling my name. Freedom, freedom is coming.
Dan the man.
Finally, first kingy in years.
Yeah. Congratulations.